ZETA stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. With Zeta Global Holdings stock, we're sitting a good $18.10. I know like it's 2.2% up. So how the heck are we, like, how am I approaching this? It's like rather simple, man, like rather simple. I've seen like a complete like disinterest in the price here, like since the beginning. Like I was waiting for this break and then we had this demand area, but complete disinterest, and it just seems like we keep going down. For context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course cement ships, and I've documented everything. And with ZTEA, as the price was sitting here, like if it came up and gave me a double break, then I was willing to take shorts. But here it's just, yeah, it's just a bearish market, and I really don't buy it. Like the only time where it's not going to be a bearish market in my eyes is if I start seeing breaks above 22 bucks. So with that, I'll keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.